What up, party people? Welcome back and thank you for tuning in to another video. As you can tell from the title, guys, we are installing a vanity combo today in the bathroom. Last video we installed the shower glass sliding door. Last video we installed a sliding glass door for the shower. And today we're going to go ahead and top off the bathroom with a vanity. This vanity is a combo set, so we have the mirror and the top and the vanity itself. But we'll go ahead and take a closer look at that, and I'll give you the specs and details on that in just a moment, guys. So let's not waste any more time. Let's go. And here is the item in question. Vanity combo set with mirror by the good folks at Glacier Bay. And there is the model number right there, so you can use that as reference. It's your normal, standard, pretty cute looking vanity set. Got your top and the mirror. Pretty nice mirror, I guess. Well, it's not really nice, but get all that stuff for $200, so not too bad. Let's go look at the area that we're going to work on here today. And here is the vanity in its position. A few things that got our concern here was the drawer over here and the door casement, but we positioned it so it shouldn't be too much of an issue. And then another issue there is we will have to route the CPVC to go a little bit more to my left here, because we won't have any space for the water valve, so we need to reroute this thing to go a little bit spaced away from this thing. So that's the other concern. All right, so we had to reroute the CPVC for this side. It's a bit of an eyesore, but again, this is all inside the vanity, so no one can see it, and we resolved the issue. We don't have to worry about contact made against that. We put on these cover caps. Had to cut this one up, modify it a little bit. And now we are going to go ahead and find the studs for the vanity so we can properly secure this to the wall. So, you could use your traditional wall stud finder that you can find, or you can get one of these suckers, a Walabot do-it-yourself wall scanner. Now, this thing has been hit or miss with me every single time that I used it. So, I mean, it should be able to easily find a stud, but any other things, it's a little bit tougher. So you could use your traditional stud finder, or you can go online and pick yourself up one of these, a Walabot do-it-yourself stud finder. Pretty useful, but it has been hit or miss. The easier stuff it will find, so I mean, it should be able to find these studs so we can properly attach this vanity on there. So not bad, 60 bucks. There. Look at that, we detected some particle wood. Quickly show you how it works. Grab this. After you've calibrated it, you want to run it against your wall very slowly. Look at that, I already found a stud right there. Slowly. Bang. Easy way to find a stud. And some wires. Let's see if it finds wires here. I don't think so. Oh. Pipe or wire? Wire. Yeah, stud. That's it. Wire in the bottom. Wires over here. Let's see if this will detect something. Stud.
Right here, stud is here.
Right. There you go. Kind of. Here. And there we have the vanity in place and installed for the most part. Just need some minor details, some cover-ups. But we rerouted the CPVC. Now it's not making contact against the wall. We don't have to worry about that. We're good on that. We go ahead and added shims where necessary at the bottom in case your flooring was developed by children. And of course, you always want to, as you saw earlier, grab your level, making sure you're within the lines. Not bad, not bad. Pretty good. Check the back, check the front, making sure your vanity is nice and level. And also a little friendly reminder, guys, on these types of vanities, on the bottoms you'll find these little giant thumbtacks. These do interfere when it comes to leveling the vanity, so keep that in mind.